Hello everyone, I'm Arnav Deshpande back with another video. And in this video, we are going to see how exactly we can bulk rename files at a time in a PC without any installation of large application. So let us start the video with. To perform this life hack or tool, we will be using a UK based software called as Bulk Rename Utility. So it is completely safe and no need to worry because I am providing this app and the link will be given in the description. So it is compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7, even the server 19, 16, 2012 and 2008, and it is since 16 March 2021. That is, it is the recent software if you are seeing this video in May 2021. So no need to worry about the safety of your device. So just go to the descriptions link and install this software, and it is a small software of 10 MB. So after opening this installing this software, just you press on that so that it will open the software. So I'll just browse for the files where to save the software. So I have made a folder named as bulk rename utility. So I'll be storing all my files related to this program in that app itself. So I'll press next. So just let us give access to all of its permissions, and just let us extract and download this software. After this after this simple installation process, you will see here a finish page. So after this, if you want to run directly, you can run, or else you can go through the manual process. Okay, so here is the app layout. I think you are feeling a bit uncomfortable by this layout, but these are number of options to rename this file. That is 13 options you are having, 13 vivid options you are having to um, rename your file. So this might be a great app, I think. So just let us begin with the app. First feature which you can see here is register executaries. So this thing, I think anyone would not opt to change this because copyrights must be registered to that producing company itself. So I won't go through that option. And second is replace. By this feature, you can just directly replace the characters which you want to replace it. So I'll just select one of the song folder which I have downloaded recently. So just okay, this one. You think as this one, okay. So as you can see here, in every word you are having a under slash. So if you want to replace that under slash with any space, or if you leave this with column empty, so directly it will be replaced with blank space. So after this one, after selecting this setting, you can just directly press the preview button. But before that, you should select all the files which you want to do replacement with. So I have selected all files by pressing Ctrl plus A, and then here you can see the rename button as activated. So just you can press the preview button. So this is the original name, and this is all the new names which will be changed after this one. So just I'll close this off, and then I'll press the rename button. So what would happen is they are showing a warning, that is one file or folder are about to process. This happened because I selected only one, so I will select all and then I'll say show to you. So now it is showing that 23 files are about to be processed. So 23 objects are selected and 23 are being processed, so that is good one. and they are giving a warning that this is last opportunity to cancel. So keep in mind that once you opt for changing this one, uh, you cannot set it again once. So just you press OK if you want. So you can see here that 23 items successfully processed. Here it is showing in this way, but I will show you even in my disk manager. Okay, it was this one. Yes, as you can see here, everything here is reset. I'll do two or three more options, and rest of these are same. Next one is remove characters. As you can see here, I'll show you for a while. Let me show you it. Okay, so these all characters, if I want to remove, so I must count the characters from last, how much number it is, and then press select that number, that many numbers here, and then I'll remove. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, it is a bit long number here, so I'll just try removing 20 characters. So you can see here, you can remove first 20 or last 20, or even you can remove words. If you want to remove the word Ajay, so you can just press rename, and 8 files have name Ajay. So Ajay name was removed. So just you can remove all the characters. As you can see here, if I am pressing this first, so first characters are being erased. So if I am pressing last, so last characters are being erased. And just extend this. Many, there are such many features in this app, so nothing to worry about it. Just I'll select all the things, and as you can see here, um, it is being renamed. And even here, this one, rest of all are being renamed, but especially this one, if you press for, I will not rename because I want everything of that. If you press this one, you can see here almost everything is being renamed, 23 files. So that is other feature. And even you can add some prefix and suffixes for this word. So I have added the RJ button, RJ keyword. So even you can insert this one. So another one is add position, first, second, third, or fourth. Even that feature you can adjust. And even you can add the suffix for this word with a word space. So other one is auto date, that is if you want to adjust the date of these files, you can also adjust this one. It will change all the modification dates for this one. And even numbering, so it is that from the first character to fourth character it will rename, and then again from fourth to fifth, from sixth to ninth, in such way you can adjust. And even you can move or copy parts of this file, such as if I want to copy this first 8 or 9 names, so I will select here a9 and copy it to position of 11. Even other option is there, to start or to end, it will be added as suffix. So here you can even add a separation symbol for that one. And even other features are there, append folder name, that is it will change the folder name, even the extension which you want directly. And even the filters, there are many other filters name as folder, files, hidden subfolders, even mask. If I would make a detailed video on this, it would take 1 hour to say, so I am going fast. So here special characters are there. You can even change the JavaScript for that one, character pattern, and even change you can even change the file location by this one. And these were all the features. If you want to revert the settings, it will be reverted, but only that settings which are edited now on opening the app. that is, if you close this app and again once if you open, it will not be reverted. So this was all about this bulk renaming of files. So hope you like this video. Maybe I'll be producing a new video, the next video on some sort of this tech tools only. So what is your opinion on this type of videos? Suggest your opinions and comments in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.